Hi there, I'm Neil Brits from Crown Technologies. I'm the technical director at Crown Technologies. And the reason why we enjoy using Fox products is, well, they're so compact and neat, and they give a great finish. They look great when the job is finished. I mean, look at this, very neat and tidy. But really what gets me about what I enjoy about the product, we had when we were commissioning here, we had a bit of a technical problem that we really battled to solve. We thought it was something in the factory, and we spent probably 2 weeks on and off trying to solve the problem. And Fox, Mick and Matt back at the technical support center were on the phone to me probably sometimes 2 hours at a time trying to solve the problem. And even sometimes if I was here till 5:30, 6 o'clock, they were still there giving me support, helping me. They didn't just drop me and leave me. So for me, that's really great, because when you're dealing with a technical product like inverters, sometimes there's a lot of software involved. There's a lot of little things that can happen. And if you don't have someone support, and we even had Fox China at one stage on the line with a 3-way video link to try and get to the bottom of the problem. And to me, that is great. I've worked with many other companies. I've never known support like that in other fields, not just in solar equipment. I've done with air conditioners. I've done with heat pumps, all that kind of thing. I've never had a company that supported me. Often 5 o'clock comes, they say, "Sorry, Mr. Brits, we'll phone you back tomorrow." But really, it's been great dealing with Fox. And apart from that, the safety features, we've got self-extinguishing batteries. We've got equipment that's got 2 and 4 times the rated capacity to give us the safety features. So really, I can install a system like this and go home and have peace of mind knowing that I'm not going to read about my installation in the newspaper with a factory that burnt down or something like that. So really, good for Fox. I love working with the team, and the guys are also great to work with. Always friendly, never complain about, "Oh no, it's Neil phoning again." So great, thanks very much.